Today, let me show you our newly installed 11-meter mixed dome tent. The top height is 6 meters, the total space is 95 square meters. The dome inside can be designed with a loft layout, maximizing space up to 200%. The dome can easily accommodate bedroom, kitchen, private bathroom, and a leisure view area, making it ideal for family living, vacation homes, and glamping house. This mixed dome tent combines the advantages of both fabric domes and glass domes. The non-transparent part is covered with 100% off-proof, fire-resistant, and flame-retardant PVC fabric, while the transparent sections use tempered glass with a service time of over 15 years. You can choose which part to be tempered glass. The most important thing, the cost is very competitive, only 1/3 of the full glass dome. If you are interested, leave us a comment below. Welcome to visit our factory and contact us now.